Hi, welcome to the Ruckus Feature Explainer series. I'm Terry Henry. Today we're going to talk about Ruckus Unleashed, and specifically we're talking about how to back up and restore your configuration to your Unleashed system. So the first thing you want to do under Admin and Services here, you want to expand that out with the arrow. And then we want to expand out Administration. And on the menu here, we have Backup and Restore. So we want to click on Backup and Restore. And so the first thing we want to do is do a backup, right? So you do this on a regular basis. But if we click Backup, it's as easy as that. So literally takes 2 seconds maybe to drop a local backup file onto your client device. So then, once you have that, and you should do it on a regular basis, then if you want to restore that configuration, we can click on Browse here under Restore, and they're titled .back, and you can see it's the Unleashed name, DB, and then the time and date that it was created. So for example, this is the one I just created, so 03/26/20 at 9:11 a.m. and that's in 24-hour time. So if we choose to restore that, we could say open, and then it gives us 3 options. So restore everything is if you are literally restoring everything on this device, including the system name and the IP addresses, all the WLAN settings, users, roles, everything. It's a full backup. So that will be a restore everything. The next option down is restore everything except system name and IP address settings. So as it says in the brackets here, for failover deployment at the same site. Now remember, if you've got multiple APs in your Unleashed system, all of the APs get a copy of the configuration. So they're all ready to take over as the master should the master fail. So this is more an option if you only had one AP and you wanted a failover scenario, you could do it that way. So the new AP will have its own system name and its own IP address, but all the other settings will go with it. Lastly, and maybe the most useful of the bunch, is restore only WLAN settings, access control list, roles, users, country code, and system time. So this is if you want a template for multiple sites. So if you're rolling out multiple sites of Unleashed, and all you have to do is one time create all your WLAN settings and the advanced settings to go with that, and the users, etc. And then on each site, you set up the basic Unleashed and then restore all your settings that you created. So you can create a cookie cutter from one site and then restore them to multiple as easy as that. So each site, of course, is going to have its own probably IP subnet and IP address on the AP and system name. But all the other settings that you've created are going to go with that. So very easy way if you're deploying multiple sites. So say you're rolling out an apartment building or multiple houses or something like that, where each unit may have its own separate Unleashed system. Well, very easy to just create one the way you want it, back it up, and then restore it onto each system with, of course, maintaining its own IP and name. So that's it. And then basically we just choose this. We click the restore button. It's going to say, are you sure you want to restore it? You say yes. It'll restore that configuration, reboot the AP, and you'll be back up where you need to go. All right, so that's it for today. And I hope you find this useful. Thanks very much, and take care.